Kasi po, yan na lang ginagamit palagi. And by the way, Nicole,
Yeah.
in case you didn't know, maybe you're wondering why Malacanang is not doing anything kapag tumataas po yung presyo ng produktong petrolyo.
Yeah,
You know
I'm wondering why,
You know why?
Patrick. I'm wondering why.
Because the VAT law was designed in such a way that kapag tumaas po, when you have oil price hikes, mas malaki po yung kinikita ng gobyerno.
Aha. No wonder.
Yes. Laki ng kinikita ng gobyerno. Kaya po nananahimik sila dyan eh. Because hindi, nakikinabang po yung gobyerno. Oh, you know, during the time of PGMA.
Yeah, I wanted to bring that up. You say that.
If you can remember,
Yes.
yung hindi na mapigil because of outside forces.
That was when a barrel of oil was $400, ha? $400,
grabe.
290 for a barrel of oil. That was when they had that whole Middle East crisis
yes.
thing. Okay.
In case you have forgotten.
In case you forgot, go ahead, Patrick.
PGMA decided to stop collecting taxes on petroleum products.
She removed the VAT.
Yes.
Even though nagalit yung...
Meron pang isa yung excise.
Oo.
Yes, so that automatic yung rollback na 4 pesos.
Oo.
You know, I was very grateful to the president for doing that.
Me too.
Oh, di ba? I mean, if the former president can do that during her time, bakit hindi magawa ni Pinoy ngayon?
Looking for trouble?
Exactly, Patrick. Exactly. You know, and during that time, I mean, she really got a lot of flack from the oil companies. Oh, galit sa kanya because
Galit
she
ka
did
dyan.
that.
Yes, exactly.
But I mean, and if you think about it, at that time, the price of oil all over the world was much more expensive. There was
Mas
truly a
mahal.
crisis. Kesa ngayon.
Yes.
And gas was cheaper pa then than it is now.
Yes, I agree.
It never hit this high.
Yeah.
During that time already, if it was 46, you were complaining of 50. Okay, for a while 50, and then she did VAT and the excise tax, and that was a very unpopular thing for her
Yes.
to do. But
and you know, there were the people behind the EVAT. Of course, they were against even her own finance
Yes.
advisors
Uh-oh.
are telling the GMA, no, don't do that because the collection will suffer, the finance will
Yes.
suffer. But of course, the GMA, of course, nakikinig sa tao yan. Ang ginawa niya, hindi. Maraming maapektuhan.
You can put it back when the prices,
sacrifice na muna yan. Isn't it? In case you have forgotten about that, no? Kasi ngayon, you know, the bad thing is, according to the DOE, we can expect successive oil price hikes in the coming weeks po. Because winter is coming in the US. As you all know, this is one of the factors that raises yung oil prices in the world market. Kapag bumili po yung US ng heating oil,
yeah, they really buy a lot of heating oil during
Kasi
the
grabe
winter.
yung winter.
I'll tell you, I've lived there and I actually know somebody who was in the oil business. He would actually buy oil from Africa. So he's into that. And then, of course, I met someone who had Citizens Oil. They actually provided free oil for those. So free heating for those in the state of Massachusetts who couldn't afford it. But what I'm saying is that I've been exposed somewhat to people who have dealt with this, and they really buy a lot of oil. So supply and demand, tataas na naman yung presyo. So what will we do, Patrick?
This is the problem.
We'll just fly na lang tour.
Paano yun?
We'll grow wings.
Do we just swallow everything? Mabigat po yan eh. Actually, ngayon pa nga lang, nasa 44, mabigat na. What about kapag pumalo po ng 50 yan? This government should do something. Like what the past administration did, yung pong tumaas po yung presyo.
Yes. And that problem compounded with the unemployment rate.
Isa pa yan. Isa pa yan, ha? Nabasa ko. I was able to read yesterday.
Go ahead,
Nico,
Patrick.
Tumaas yung according to NSO.
National Statistics Office.
Dole mismo.
Dole mismo.
They recorded an increase in the unemployment in the country. So that is bad news. Ayan.
Yeah, and that you know, you can feel it. Everything is going up. The price of commodities, electricity they'll say it will go down for a while, then biglang it will go up again. What are we going to do?
Exactly. We're not saying that this administration is not doing anything. No, it's just that we are pointing we are just comparing this administration with the former administration,
which they always do also themselves.
Yes. All right. So again, ang punta namin sa maybe you're asking. What are trying to point at? Well,
Trouble?
the thing is, this administration should concentrate on the issues. For example, itong pagtaas ng presyo ng gasolina. So meron ng forecast according to the DOE. So what do you intend to do about it?
Exactly. Do something about it. Do your job.
Yun ang sinasabi ni George San Mateo
Oo.
Hindi yung kakausapin mo kami. You'll talk to us. So wala naman nangyari. Nag-usap lang tayo Maybe the president is thinking kapag nakita ko ni San Mateo, ma-starstruck yun Hindi makakalimutan na yung problema. Something like that.
And maybe also sa people around the president, no? Maybe if the president is, maybe preoccupied with
speaking of
Wang Wang.
Yeah,
speaking of Wang Wang. Oh, yeah, Wang
Wang. Isn't it the president is always using that in his speech, no?
Wang Wang daw.
You are my boss, Owen. Walang Wang Wang. He used that as a symbol. Owen, ibig sabihin, wala pong abusado sa bansang ito, Mr. Rowen Pagar, no? Pero I have a friend